Yeah, buddy. Take this flash hider off. Okay, like now. There you go. I had to hammer the shit out of the pin closest to the receiver. This one. So we can see this. I tore that thing up. Tore it up. Trying to get that stupid damn pin out. Not only did I tear my pin up, I tore this up. It's crooked now. It's no good. I tore this one up. Super crooked. It ain't no good. Tore this one up. It's no good. So, that last little pin out from the gas block pin. Had to hammer this up just to get it to move. Looks like when they painted it, everything was like kind of melded together with that paint just a little bit too much. But came off pretty easy. You don't have to hit it too hard, just tap it off. So go ahead and get that off, and then move on to the next. So here it is. Just trying to make sure everything's fitting right. Gas tube. Looks like it's going to work out pretty well. It's very snug in there, which is good, I think. Still got the delta ring on there that's going to come off eventually, probably with a Dremel. What's up, guys? Rail finally came in today from Troy. That's MRF-MX 10-inch. Came packaged with these things all over it. Two-piece rail, looks really detailed. FDE is one I got. Took 3.5 weeks to get it, but it's here. Oh, it also is in two pieces for under barrel attachments if you're into that kind of stuff. I'm thinking about doing, even if they are replicas or whatever. It does use the existing barrel nut, which I dremeled off just a while ago. Been slowly chipping away at it. These were pain in the ass. Tapered pins of all things. Sucked. But after you dremel this thing off, you'll have some springs, typical setup. There another catch that goes right here, right around it, that broke off. That's what's left of it. Had to twist the ends since I didn't have the tool for it. So I'm going to put the gas block, Gainer Defense low profile gas block, and go ahead and tighten that on there, get everything set up, get the gas system back on, and then install that rail. Good to try this pin I bought, because I did scratch some shit up. Whatever, I don't care. Let's see if it works. bastard. Come on. Yeah, bottom piece. This on, it won't go over the gas block, so I gotta take that off. Cool. Bar trying force down there. Directions. You might want to take the receiver off. Just saying. I knew that. Because this is not my first time doing this. Let me tell you. The way this goes on there, these little flaps on the edges. And then you got these little grooves inside. Sticking it on there, you just line them up. So, click in, and you push down. And then the flaps on the bottom row will be offset, locked in. Man, looks good already. The issue with the lining up's fixed. Excuse me, I guess I just tightened it a little too much on one side. There you have it. Troy MRF-MX 10-inch. Back in. Nice. Very nice. Be back on with more videos leading up to the finished product. So hit me up if you have any questions or whatever about the installation.